Dough without milk, without eggs. Never buy spit again. In a container, add 500 grams of wet flour, 10 grams of dry yeast. Now it's just a matter of mixing very well. After mixing, add 100 ml of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and now get back to moving. Gradually add 275 ml water at room temperature. When you get to that point, just start mixing with your hands. When the dough starts to get smooth, just remove and set aside. On a band, spread a little flour for right after we start kneading the dough. Knead until the dough is in this consistency, very smooth. Once that's done, divide this dough into 10 pieces. Take a piece and shape it into a ball, and will look like that. Or another part of the band, sprinkle a little cornmeal, and then place all the balls. Make a space of 5 fingers from one ball to other. Once that's done, just let it rest covered with a dish towel or plastic wrap for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, just uncover and start kneading this dough. Here I'm using a bowl to help make a hole in the middle of the dough. And then just go shaping with your fingers, leaving this dough in the shape of a spike. The filling is to taste. Here I'm using mozzarella and cheddar. And in another spot, I prefer to fill it with mozzarella and a little bacon. Now, it's just a matter of putting all these spices onto a tray that doesn't need to be greased, but if you prefer, you can use a little oil. Once this is done, just take it to a preheated oven at 220 degrees for 20 minutes. Guys, our spit is ready. It's beautiful and delicious. Do it at your house, that I'm sure everyone will love. A super quickly and easy recipe to make, perfect for your snack. I hope you enjoyed. This was another recipe from the Pool in the Kitchen. That strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for